right, here we go. Over 80. Shoot. Over 80 was good. Wow, that's incredibly strong. Hmm. Still looking for something. Looking at other stocks. Nah, this is the one. So lots going on here. The pullback is gonna get bought. That's for sure. So it all depends where this pullback is gonna be. So the low that is 406. So 406, low the previous 406, so maybe under 4. See how deep it wants to go under 4. See how deep under 4 you want to go. So far so good. There we go. The low that was 399. Back over 4. Pretty tight. Pretty tight. It's not clear. Expecting a little more, honestly, but based on what's happening, it seems that it's going to be pretty strong over 434. First count to make a new high. Not quite, but it did right under 4. I mean, it went as low as 399. Barely. $34. It does want to hold though, it seems like. It does want to hold 34. 2 seconds left. No, coming down. Seems like it was heavy. So that was a nice little pullback there. So let's see if it wants to go under 4 again. So here made a new low, 16. As you're making a new low, under 16, the low this is 408. We could see this a little lower with another low, or we could see a shorter adding right there. At the break of 16, they added. But if they don't want to fully commit over 20, they're going to start stopping out. It's pretty contested. It's a tug of war. Tug of war. So here we go. So it hasn't. Kind of waiting for the correct opportunity. I'll know it when I see it. So it tried to do a new, like it couldn't make a new low. Now we're gonna be probably looking at candle new high here over 30. No, not doing it. Not doing it because the shorts are not, shorts haven't, shorts are still in here, you know? Shorts that got this failed push, shorts that got in here, right at the break of 20, basically. Here we go. Now we're gonna get shorts committing to this push. Probably down here under 80, 90. We'll take it, we'll take it. Under 4 for sure. So that broke. Okay, over 410. And yet, 410 is kind of too far. Needs to go under 90 or closer to 90. For these shorts to get stopped, we're looking at basically 410. I'll get in here. So I like that. So it went under, not under 90. So now we're looking at this thing. For shorts to get stopped out, it's going to be over 4, 416. Here we go. That is good. So we're looking at this perhaps to make first candle new high. So we're going to let it cook here. I want to add to this. We're at 412. We got green on the tape. That's good to see. We might see a dip here. 4. We might take it to add to that position. We'll see. We'll see what he wants to do. Nice. It's holding. Holding that level. First candle new high. 20 seconds now. So let's see. Man, I want to see this over 20. This could work really nice. So letting it cook. Letting it cook. Letting it cook. Yeah, I'm gonna take it out here. 16. It seemed like it had to go there. So it had to go after that nice spike of volume. It seemed like it got rejected pretty heavily over 30s. So it had to go there. Doesn't mean it could still go, you know, but we might take this first candle new high, smaller size. 28. Okay, now we might get another recovery. So first candle new high was not it. So I'm looking at the algos and I'm thinking this should have gone it through. There must be something here. Some sellers here. Some algos getting triggered right at this candle new high, this area here in the 30s. So pretty solid red candle here. New low is going to be 395. Yeah, perhaps first candle make a new high here. Same idea, right? So I think algos added here for sure. They continue to add here, even though it got picked up. And then here had no chance of making a new high. Well, actually it did for a few cents. And it got absolutely rejected. So now here's the deal. We could see a new low here, 95, in which case algos who got stopped out here because price went here might get in again. Or we may see a candle new high over 14.15, over 15. Over 15, huh? Yeah, I'll get in here. 200 shares over 15, pretty tight because it should have failed here, should have made a new low and it didn't. So we got first candle new high over 15. We're gonna add here. If we continue to hold 40, there you go. It needs to go here, 20, 30. So small size there, it needs to go. Okay, he has to go now. We got one new candle here. Boom. Out there, 48. 52, 86, 82, okay, 82. So we're looking at 91. Oh wow, nice. Okay, nice. So this one, interesting, over 91. Continue high over 315, over 310, over 310, over 310. No, I'm not gonna do it. We got a 319, we got that red cap. So, mm, okay, looks like we committed here to this low. We got a nice reclaim. It's over 390. Could be, but then we still have the shorts that really went hard right up here over 4. So it's hard to say. It's struggling there. I would like to see like 415 and then start to see an imbalance. That would be sweet. Yeah, failed. Failed. So shorts are adding here. They're adding to this position under 390. Yeah, they added on that micro pullback, looking for this to keep going lower. So here we have such weird action, right? Two red candles, topping wick, bottoming wick. Shorts aggressive, kept it red. Longs aggressive, still kept it red. So shorts, let's see what shorts are gonna do here. So shorts might actually really commit to this now, especially if there's big volume here, so that means they really hammered it down at this area. So they haven't stopped out. They all hammered it down here, anywhere between 94 and 405, 407. Then they haven't stopped out yet. '71. So here we go. We have this, I'm only playing it because we have this gap right here where it touched it and it bounced. Here we go. New low. VWAP, so that's 368. Well, what's the low of this? Low that is 48. So 68 was this low. So we're looking for it. Did it go under 60? Yes, it did go under 60. So perhaps, just perhaps, right over 68. It might get stopped out here over 68. We're still got a red gap to go through. This one might be a little easier to go through. Let's see. Dip. The 5 minute still a red gap. I must say there's a red gap right here. So the 5 minute traders are going to be looking at that and thinking, okay, that could be a good short. Still waiting. Let's see what we got here. Goes all the way up to 424. 96 here, perhaps. 408. Well, here's 403. I'm looking for a bigger move, but possibly a nice big move here. Bring on the tape. So 403. Doesn't convince me yet. Looks like shorts might have added right here. And I need to see them commit to their short and then start to get caught. That's the idea. Commit to your short right under 4. Commit to your short right under 4. Commit to your short right under 4. So not quite. 402 is that low. This is going to be pretty tight, isn't it? Commit to your short. 96. Low this is 96. And then get back over 4. And that would be the ideal scenario here. So let's see. Commit to your short, otherwise we got a first candle to make a new high over 412. Commit to your short. Yep, commit to it. Bang. Wow, okay. It immediately popped. It immediately popped there. What's it going to be? It's a tug of war right now. It immediately popped. Reducing size, there you go. Over 412. Tug of war. What's happening? It's choppy, yeah? It's choppy. It's choppy. 4 seconds left. Almost took it at 412, thinking it would do it. So here we go. Now shorts are going to commit even more now. Now they feel confident after this rejection. They feel really confident after that rejection. So now we're going to be looking at 97. Hopefully. Ooh, there you go. 93. Wow. 93. Quick little low there. And could this one actually be better? So quick little low there. Starting to see green. That was a quick little low. Low that. Well, the previous was 93. New high is going to be 410. What do we think now? What do we think now? Here? Let's get in here. I see that getting some squeeze. Giving it some room. It should have gone there. Giving it some little extra room, perhaps. Small size. I'm gonna get out. Small loss, whatever. Yeah, should have known better. First candle new highs are not gonna be the one. So we'll wait. So now here we got over 60. Here we go. Oh, give me that entry, please. Right, 61. Oh. Get back over the low. Previous is 56. I think I missed that opportunity there. I think I missed that. Dang it. I missed that. That was so good. I was looking at the previous candle low and man, back to 63. Rejecting, not strong enough. Just going to make a new high, perhaps on this one, 70. Nah. This was good though, man. I missed that. Right. We're gonna finish here. We're up 178. Decent day. We got a nice reclaim here of the lows. Breaks under 90. Got that reclaim. Boom. Out 418. It could have been out right here in the 30s. But, you know, I thought 18 after waiting for some time. I thought, that looks okay. Doesn't look like it's gonna go all the way through, which made a new low, came back up, tried to go for another high, but didn't go. We took that one, then we took this one clearly. Try to break a low. Didn't do it. This candle did not. Was not able to make a new low, so that gave me the impression that okay, this was actually gonna go. Took smaller size, and boom, we got that 30-cent move there. Very nice. 30 cents. Then we got what do we got? Ooh. There we go. Then we got what do we do next? Oh yeah, we try to go for this one. So here, high of this is 410. So I was looking, there was a gap right here, and I'm thinking, okay, there could be a nice bounce here. So didn't quite get this one. This bounce was low, this 97, low, this was 93. Maybe I could have waited for something more stronger like this, because this actually worked. Getting here, first candle to make a new high. And I got lost 10 cents on that. So I could really, um, I could definitely avoid this. Definitely avoid this and maybe try this one down here. The low of this was 93, right? The low of this was 83. So breaks through 90, back over 90, and that could have been the perfect setup. I got a little too, maybe misread that, you know? All right, so that's gonna be it. So regarding last month, we finished last month down 828 on Friday. There was no video. I was kind of just tired and ready to end the month. So down 129 the last day. So good to break that red 4-day red streak with today. So hopefully we can start a fresh new month and you know try to make it work. So let's see. Let's do the last 60 days. Last 60 days we had some good days, but we had a bunch of red, man. Too many red in this section right here. Too many red. Not ideal. Not ideal. Especially the last 30 days. Maybe let's do a little more. Since let's do since mid. Yeah. Let's do mid June. So mid June. Just look how many red days we have, man. It's crazy. Week by week performance, all of 2026. Yeah. Anyway. Anyway, that's it. Come over to Mr. Profit, create your account to try it for 7-day free trial. Free trading analysis tool. Give it a try. Upload your file. Check out all our features. Very good features here. Check it out. The best feature charts. The community loves it. Come check it out. $5 a month, 50 a year. All right. See you tomorrow with more day trading.